Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Gemini. Okay, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Gemini. So these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with each and everyone. So take the messages wisely according to your situation. Okay, and please let me know in the comment section if the messages are resonating with you. Okay, and thank you for commenting on my videos that these messages are resonating with you. Those are commenting, thank you very much, because I will also get the inspiration to make more and more videos. Okay, so thank you for all of you for your support. We will start with the monthly reading of the Gemini. Please, spirit guides, let us know what are the messages for the Gemini. What are the messages for the Gemini? What are the messages for the Gemini? What is there in the September 2020 for the Gemini? Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Gemini. Okay, Three of Cups. What are the messages for the Gemini? Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Gemini. Three of Wands, Empress, Nine of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. What are the messages? One card is dropped down. I will take it. Wow, Ten of Pentacles. We will take one more card. Please, spirit guides, let us know for the sign of Gemini. Oh, three cards. Fine. We will take it. Queen of Swords, the Star and the Page of Swords, Page of Wands. Okay, so in the month of September 2020, this card was reversed, so it might be in the starting of the month you might be feeling not passionate for your life, don't want to move forward in your life. There are some missed opportunities, or there are some stress or low confidence to start up new things, new business, new relationship, or some situationship you are finding difficulty to find out the solution in the situation, whatever the situation will be. Okay, but in the September 2020 I am able to see, even though that is there, there are so many positive cards. So the first card was the Three of Cups. You will be celebrate the things. Okay, you will be celebrate the things with your friends, with your families, with your colleagues. Okay, and this is the Three of Wands. See, I told you, even though in starting you may feel like Page of Wands in reverse, there is no passion, there is no new things coming into your way, but you are positive and you will be positive, your confidence will be boost. Okay, so you will be hope for the best, and whatever the situation which are not serving you, you will able to put them all behind, and you will take one whichever you want. Either you want yourself, either you want one situation, either you want one relationship, either you want one situation and other you don't want to deal with that person's situations, whatever it is, thinking patterns, bad habits, bad situationship, bad workplace. Okay, you are hopeful for the situation, for the betterment, because I would like to let you know that there are three times. Okay, you are able to level up your things, you are level up to your skills, your abilities. Some people want to build up their family, grow up their family, expand their family, they are able to do that. Some people want to take some higher degree, apply for the higher education, they are able to do that. Okay, that institution will be allow you to present your paper presentation, whatever the project presentation, or maybe in your society there might be some religious activity, you are able to do what you want in that participation. Okay, because pentacles are family cards, financial card, education. Okay, so you might be able to apply for the resume and that job for higher education, and that will be in the positive way. the result will be in the positive way. So that you have to be hopeful for the situation, even you are struggling to balance it out. Okay, there is a water, there is a land, okay, and this person is balancing out the star card. Okay, it is a major arcana, so it is divinely guided. Whatever the situation you are facing right now, it is divinely guided, so don't worry about it. And the star card is signifying us that you should be hopeful for the best. Okay, you should be hopeful for the situation, that you will be able to find the balance. See, there are 4 stars, there are here the 3 stars, and middle is there is a 1 star, so 4 and 4 8. So you should be able to balance the things. Okay, for that you have to be hopeful, you have to be courageous. Okay, and you will able to do that, because these are the angels. The star card is the major arcana, so angels want to help you out to balance things out in your work life, in your profession life, in your career, love life, family life. Okay, even though starting you feel it is difficult to tackle the situation, but be hopeful, be hopeful. See, hopeful, you will be, you just have to be in your in your independent. Okay, you have to be in the self confidence, courageous, and you will be able to do that, because a 9 of pentacles signifies that you money will be flowing to your way, money will coming into your way, you will feel confident, you are ready to take the challenges, you are ready to help the other peoples, you are enjoying yourself, enjoying your life, enjoying your situations, you are able to tackle the situations, and you are able to tackle this situation even with your wisdom, with your freedom. Okay, it is not like someone is depressed, stressing you out, pressurizing you, giving you burdens, lot of burdens. It is not like that. Okay, so you will be abundant in this month, you will feel self confident, you will be feel courageous, you will feel strong, you will enjoy yourself, you will enjoy your wisdom, happiness. Okay, so this is the Queen of Swords, this is the Gemini, means Gemini energy. It might be you, and you now able to see whatever the challenges in your life, whatever the passion is not there in the starting, you might be not feeling that there is a passion, there is no hope for the new relation, new situation. You will able to seek the truth, you will find out the truth, and you will able to see the truth, what is the right, what is the wrong, and you will able to cut it out, the all the negative chords. Okay, you will able to take the decision. Okay, Gemini card, Queen of Swords. Even though it is a queen, it is applicable for the king. It is signifying in the male viewers it is the King of Wands, and for the female it is the Queen of Wands, because everybody masculine and divine energy, the divine feminine, divine masculine is it is there in everybody. Okay, so it is not a gender base, and this reading is also not the gender base. Okay, so it is don't worry about the queen. Okay, it is the queen and King of Wands, the energy. Okay, then the 10 of Pentacles. I told you, you will be feeling abundant. 9 of Pentacle, 10 of Pentacle. See, the leveling up is there. Okay, you will able to level up, you will able to, I told you, some of you able to grow up the family. See, 3 of Pentacles, growing the family, and the 10 of Pentacle is the family card, happy family card. In there the older people, the grandpa and the married couple, the kids, the pets, everybody is here, and they are all are happy, they are they are stable in financially, emotionally, physically, mentally, everything. That's why they are able to they are able to enjoy the things together. Okay, so you will be able to do that, because you, first of all, you are enjoying yourself, you are enjoying your wisdom, your passion, your courage. That's why you will able to level up the situation. I told you, you will able to expand your family. Some of you might getting the kids, some of you might be getting pregnant, some of you might getting married, because this 3 of Pentacles also signifying the family expansion. Okay, so you just have to be, you will able to celebrate the things. That's why maybe celebration will be there. Okay, you will be able to celebrate these things. That's why the star card, which is a major arcana, you just have to be hopeful for the best. Okay, hopeful for the best, and whatever which is not serving you, put it behind you and move forward. Okay, so I will pull some advice cards from the angel messages. Okay, unicorns decks. What are the messages for the Gemini for the September 2020? Okay, choices. There is another way. Ask your unicorn to help you find it. Okay, you have so many choices. I told you, some of you getting family expansion, career expansion, paperwork, presentation, project presentation, leveling up your higher education. Okay, so you have choices whether to do that or not, because it is in your favor. Now you have to decide if you want it or not. Okay, but you are able to crack that, you will able to crack that situation. Okay, so you have choices. Honesty, number 4, again 4, 3, 4, 4. There are a lot of synchronicities. Please google this number so that you will find the specific message why the numbers are there in repeating way. Okay, because every number has a different message. Okay, so honesty will ultimately be rewarded. Be honest with yourself, whatever the situation will be honest with yourself, what you want, and be rather than honest with other self, first of all you have to honest with yourself. Okay, it is a very big thing. So you just have to be honest, and you are honest with yourself. That's why your honesty is ultimately be rewarded. Whatever the hard work you have been done, that's why they are seeing your hard work, they are seeing your talent, they are seeing your paper, whatever study you have been done, whatever struggle you have been done. Okay, that's why the leveling up is there. This is your reward, and that's why you are able to celebrate the things. Okay, you will able to celebrate the things. 3 of Cups. Archangel Uriel, become a peace ambassador. You just have to be peaceful. Okay, don't worry about any situation, even though there is some issues in the starting of September, but don't worry. Okay, you just have to be peaceful. Become a peace ambassador, spread your peace too. I told you, you are, this is the higher leveling up. 9 of Pentacle, 10 of Pentacle. You are enjoying your life in the independent way. You are enjoying yourself. That's why you are able to leveling up this situation. Happy family. As you happy, then you will spread the vibration of happiness to around your in your family, in your workplace, and then only you will able to succeed in your life, successful in your life. That's what the message is here. Become a peace ambassador. Okay, spread the vibration of peace to everybody. Okay, then the seeking good. Look for good in your current situation. I again and again I am telling you, even though you are feeling some discouragement, missed opportunities, some stressful situation, because you are not feeling that much passion is there in the situation, there are some struggle, there are some obstacles are there. Okay, so you have to be hopeful for the situation. There are 2 cards, see, hopeful, and you will able to find that hope. Okay, you will able to find that hope. The Star card, major arcana. So you just again angels are telling you, look for good in your current situation. Whatever the situation will be, you just have to be look for good. Okay, again, and the last card is the intuition. Listen to your inner wisdom. Okay, you just have to be listen to your inner wisdom. Whatever your intuitions are telling you, follow that. They are guiding you. I told you, whatever the things was hidden from you, you are able to seek the truth, the reality, and you will able to find the you will able to find the truth, what is right, what is wrong, and you will feel abundant, courageous. You are enjoying your wisdom, and you are able to cut the cords whatever not serving you. You are able to putting the stress behind, putting the pressures behind, which is negative situation, negative people, negative things in your life which is not serving you, and you was giving lot of efforts in that, but now you have to be follow your intuitions. Okay, so again card is telling you, listen to your inner wisdom. Your inner wisdom is calling you to have some faith. Okay, So this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please give me like, share and subscribe to my channel to your friends and family, colleagues, because they also might be want some help, okay, for their situation, so they also get the guidance from me. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.